Hey people, welcome to the live stream. So give me a sec, I'll check if I'm live or not, and then we can start. Yep, I'm live. So today's okay for the people who are watching this video in the future. The plan is to solve SQL 50 problems, both in case of SQL and in Pandas. So today's problem is problem number 37. We need to find the employees whose manager left the company. Okay. So we have the employees table, the column name, employee ID, name, manager ID, and the salary. So in this SQL, employee ID is the primary key. So this is the primary key for this table, and this table contains information about employees, the salary, and the ID of the manager. Okay. Some employees do not have manager, and the manager ID is null. So wherever the employees don't have manager, the ID is null. Now we need to find the IDs of employees whose salary is strictly less than 30,000, right? And whose manager left the company. So two conditions need to be satisfied. So when a manager leaves the company, the information is deleted from the employees table, but the reports still have the manager ID set to the manager that left. Okay, so need not worry. Okay, about this. Return the result table in any order. Okay, ordered by employee ID. Okay, so if you see the example here, you will understand it clearly. We have employee ID, name, manager ID. If you see, there are some managers where it is null. Okay, now since why the 11 employee is returned, if you see, because here they have explained it, the employee with salary less than 30,000 are 1 and 11. So if you see the salary part, the 1 is less than 30 and 11 is less than 30. Okay, but if you see, Khalil's manager is employee 11 who is still in the company. So this 11 is still present in the employee ID 11, but this 6 is not there. Okay, Josiah's manager is employee 6 who left the company because there is no row for employee 6 as it was deleted. Okay, so that is the reason we are returning the employee ID 11. Okay, so if you see, we need to find the employee whose salary is strictly less than 30k and whose manager left the company. So that is the reason, because 6 left the company, we are returning the 11 employee ID, and also the salary is less than 30k. Okay, so if you see the query, we have select employee ID from employees. Okay, so we are selecting the employee ID from employees where salary is less than 30k, first condition, and manager ID. Okay, so manager ID not in the sense, we are selecting the manager ID, whichever is not present in select employee ID from employees. Okay, order by employee ID. So this condition is like, I mean, from here to here it is the second condition. If the manager ID is not there in this employee ID, so this 6 is not there in this employee ID. Okay, we are returning those employee ID. Okay, so order by employee ID. So if I run this, you will see that it gets executed. Okay, and I can also submit this. So hope it is not confusing. If you still have any doubts, do comment out. We can solve it. Okay, so let's switch to pandas. Let me open the description. In case of pandas, what we are doing, we are getting the employees. Okay, if you see the condition here, what we are doing, employees is the data frame. Okay, and what we are doing, employees.manager ID is in employees.employee ID. Okay, so if you see, this checks the manager ID is in employee ID. Okay, but not this not symbol, which is this, it checks which is not there. Okay, so if this manager ID is not there in employee ID, that is first condition. And next is the second condition, which is employee.manager ID is equal to not equal to null. Okay, so we don't want the null also. Okay, and employee.salary is less than 30k. So these are the three conditions which we are checking in case of pandas data frame. Okay, but in case of SQL, it is default. This condition we need not check, because since it is like directly not there. Okay, and employees.salary is less than 30k, that is the constant. and we're returning the employee ID from this entire thing. From this we are selecting just the employee ID, and then sort values by employee ID and return y. Okay, so hope this breakdown helps. So if you still have any doubts, do comment out in the comment section. I can solve it then and there. Cool. Okay, so that's all for today, people. If you learned something from this video, do like, share, and subscribe, and also do share this playlist with your friends who are trying to upskill in this. Okay, so yeah, meet you in the next problem statement. Till then, take care. Bye bye.